Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sing the Real King. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This video is intended for purely education purpose. This is not any kind of buy sell recommendation. Any kind of entry exit, please do with your own due diligence. Duration, Sing calls 1 to 8 weeks, positional calls 1 to 4 months. If you are considering any of my recommendation, please do trial your stop loss to next levels for reduce the risk and preserve the profits. How to enter? There was some doubts or queries regarding how to take entry in the suggested stocks. If stocks are opening with a huge gap up and the stop loss or risk reward ratio is very high, avoid such stocks. Any retrace to suggested levels on reversal we can consider it. If the stocks are huge gap down opening, we can consider it on reversal. Small gap up, small gap down or flat opening, depending upon market condition, we can decide the entry. Let's do check. Last week global indices closing. Nasdaq closed with a minus 63 points, and a Dow Jones Dow Jones future closed with a positive note, 76 point higher, that is 0.23% positive. S&P 500 closed with very minorly negative, that is minus 6.75 points. SGX Nifty closed with a minus 0.48%, 83.5 points lesser with the previous closing, closed at 17,340. And India VIX is slightly become higher volatile. It has been touched around 15 points, now 18.91, even though with slighter changes came in Friday. Volatility may remain in this range between 17 to 20. I am expecting small volatility in Indian indices in this coming week. Let's have a view on Nifty for next week. Last week Nifty has been taken resistant at the level of 17,400 and couldn't cross that level. I am expecting this next week we can see above 17,400 and we can see next resistance as 17,800 and up to the range of 18,000 as a psychological support, psychological resistance. So most probable we can see the Nifty may range bound in between 17,400 to 18,000 in between. If crosses above 18,000 we can see a good rally and we can see Nifty in the newer highs. If it is crossing below 17,400 unable to cross above 17,400, it is taking resistance at 17,400 levels, we can see the Nifty may take an next support level at 17,000 to 16,900. 16,900 is technical support and 17,000 is a psychological support. So we can, if it is unable to cross above 17,400, the Nifty may roam around or in range bound between 17,000 to 17,400. My view, most probably we can see a breakout around 17,400 and we can see up to 17,800 to 18,000 points, 400 to 600 points upper side in this week, and most probably the Nifty may consolidate in this range. Due to some health issues, couldn't do the video last week. Calls given in our Telegram group, link given in the description. Anyone can join freely in this Telegram group. We can just see quick review on the last week calls. First stock recommended in our list was Deepak Fertilizer. Recommended price is 710. Deepak Fertilizer opened on Monday with the UC price very huge gap up, even though made high of 861, achieved all our targets. Due to very huge gap up and UC price, we didn't receive entry in the Deepak Fertilizer. Second stock recommended in our list, GE Ship at 474, made a high of 527, achieved our third target 525. Next stock we recommended Lalpath Lab, CMP 2303, made high of 2450, achieved our second target of 2440. Fourth stock recommended in our list, Lumax Tech at 1511, made high of 1541, achieved our first target 1540 and reversed from the that level. Last stock recommended in our list, Lumax Tech at CMP 258. Lumax Tech hit stop loss 234. Let's do analysis for this week's in call picks. First stock in our list, FCL, Fiotex Chemical Limited. Fiotex Chemical Limited CMP 244. This stock we have recommended in our Telegram group at 234 levels and 6 to 7% profit received in 2 trading sessions. We can expect good momentum in upcoming week also. FCL, we can keep the target 250, 264, 276 and 290. Stop loss we can keep 210 on closing basis. Next stock in our list, Wonderla. Wonderla also in the very good momentum. The CMP 280. We can see very good momentum in Wonderla as well. If any correction towards 250 levels, it could be a very good accumulation point. We can keep Wonderla 290 as a first target, 297, 310 and 322. Stop loss we can keep 248 on closing basis. Third stock in our list, Jyoti Labs. Jyoti Labs, please consider to buy above 184 levels. If sustaining above 184 levels, we can keep the target for Jyoti Labs 190 to 200, 209 and 222. Any risky players, they can consider the stock, but any reversal towards 160 levels can add an 155 and 60 level, we can add more. Jyoti Labs, very good stock. We can keep the stop loss below 165 on closing basis. Target once again 190, 200, 210, 209, 222. Fourth stock in our level list, Rema Steel. Rema Steel given a very good breakout last week. We can expect very good momentum in coming days also. Rema Steel, the CMP to 481. Target we can keep 492, 508, 535 and 572. We can keep the positional target for Rema Steel 650. Stop loss for Rema Steel we can keep 421 on closing basis. Fifth stock, ICICI Bank. We have recommended many times this stock. Still it is in the bullish range. We can see one consolidation breakout above 840. If it is sustaining above 840, we can see good rally from this counter. We can keep 860 as immediate target and 881, 905. If postal target we can keep for ICICI Bank 992 1000 rupees. 992 1000 rupees as a postal target we can keep. Very good stock we can keep in our portfolio as well. The stop loss we can keep 798 on closing basis. Next stock in our list, Chola Finance. Chola Finance about to give a very good breakout. Last Friday it has given breakout, but it is not sustaining. Still I am bullish in Chola Finance. We can see if it is sustaining above 780 levels, we can see very good rally in this stock. Chola Finance we can keep first target 786, 805, 832, 850. We can keep 900 as postal target for Chola Finance. 900 for postal targets. Keep stop loss below 690 on closing basis. Next stock in our list, TNPL, Tamil Nadu Newsprints. We can CMP 245. Tamil Nadu newsprints, it is a very good momentum. Just see the weekly chart, we can come to know it is about to give breakout, last 3 year consolidation breakout. So if it is giving breakout these levels to 45 current level, we can see very good rally from here. TNPL, we can keep this target 255, 262, 270, 282. Postal target we can keep for TNPL 300. Stop loss on closing basis 224. Next stock in our list, Vishnu Chemicals. Vishnu Chemicals selected purely based on its results. Q1 results has been published. It has a very good result published by Vishnu Chemicals. Vishnu Chemicals net profit up by 194%, that is 34 crore year on year, and up by 19% quarter on quarter, and the revenue up by 82%. 82%, that is 359 crore year on year, and quarter on quarter 6% up. And profit margin 16.4 percentage versus year on year 13.6 percentage. So Vishnu Chemical, very good stock and very good result published this week. So we can expect as per the result, if market also positive, we can get very good momentum in this stock. Vishnu Chemicals, we can expect target 1625, 1670, 1720 and 1750. Stop loss we can keep for Vishnu Chemicals 1500. Next stock in our list, Solar Industries. This stock onwards we are considering for positional calls. Solar Industries about to give multi-year breakout. We can see very good rally above 3200. We can keep Solar Industries positional target 3500. Stop loss below 2900 on closing basis. We can consider Solar Industries for zinc coal also. We can keep present CMP 3142, 3142. We can keep 3200 as first target. Above 3200 zinc coals we can consider 3270, 3340. Next stock in our list, Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi, very good stock. It is in the very good momentum. Last week it has been given breakout, zinc breakout. So the present CMP 9308. 9308. We can keep Tata Elxsi's targets. Tata Elxsi for positional target 10,800. 10,800. Zinc target we can keep 9,400, 9,560, 9,700. Stop loss we can keep on closing basis 8,750. Next stock, Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine also very good stock, given a breakout, consolidation breakout last week. We can keep Navin Fluorine the CMP 4476, 4476. We can keep 5000 as first positional target. Then we can next target 5500. Zinc target we can keep 4520, 4600, 4680. Stop loss we can keep 4250 on closing basis, 4250. Next stock in our list, Pidilite. Pidilite also Pidilite is also about to give breakout, consolidation breakout. We can see very good momentum in last many days. It has been in the bullish momentum, and last Friday with the volume, it is about to break the consolidation breakout. We can see if the about 2640, 2050 levels, we can see very good rally from Pidilite. In the Pidilite, we can keep positional target 3200 for Pidilite Industries. Zinc target we can keep 2690 and 2800. Stop loss 2400 on closing basis. Next stock in our list, Tube Investment of India, TI India. TI India also about to give breakout, and in this stock we can expect